This knife might look like it's completely beyond saving, and honestly, most people would have just thrown it away, but instead, we're going to bring it back to life. We start by taking everything apart, removing the old handle to get down to the bare blade. Since the rust is so heavy, we begin with a simple vinegar soak. It's a mild acid, so it takes time, but it's a safe and effective way to break down corrosion. All that's left to do is wait. The next day we take it out and clean it up. Most of the rust is gone, and we're already seeing a huge difference. There are still some stains left behind, but nothing we can't fix. To prep the surface, we apply some WD-40 to help loosen any remaining residue and protect the metal. Then we move on to sanding. Using a belt sander, we smooth out the entire blade, reshape the edges, and remove any imperfections. After that, we go in with finer sandpaper, gradually refining the surface until it's completely smooth. For safety, the blade is mounted onto a wooden block before polishing. What started as a rusty, dull blade is now polished to a mirror finish. With the blade restored, it's time to focus on the handle. We use the original handle as a reference to create a mold. After cleaning and repairing its shape, we form a new base using heated acrylic, a material that's both durable and easy to work with. Once the mold is ready, we begin building the new handle. Carbon fiber pieces are cut and prepared, then combined with epoxy resin mixed with gold flakes and a hardener. The mixture is poured into the mold and left to cure. After it hardens, we remove it from the mold and sand away any imperfections, shaping it into a clean, precise handle. Finally, everything is assembled. To speed up the process, UV light is used to instantly cure the adhesive. After a final round of polishing and sharpening, the knife is complete. From a rusted piece of scrap to a fully restored tool with a custom carbon fiber handle. A complete transformation. If you enjoyed this restoration, consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching.